ultra rare card. I didn't see you, but this has cover also. And this is a Pokemon card. I think it's blurring, but we will do it soon. But yeah. Also, this is kind of blurring, and this sign. That's why I will do last. Okay. And this is a snake. A ball. I don't know what is this, but yeah. And this is basic. And this is cool. It's cartoonish, yeah. And this is a butterfly, but yeah, it has very good design. And we got a fire energy card. Yeah. And Squirtle. I love Pikachu than Squirtle, but I like Squirtle. Yeah. And this is, but it's covering with. Okay. And the last all, a dog. It's big. Okay. And summer face is covering. That's why I will see you what is without him. First Pokemon card was this. This look like this. Look. And second one is this. It's covering his head. Why? But yeah, it's covering his head. And it's look like this. I think very smooth than last time. Yeah. And cut it. And this is it. It's like a robot ship. I don't know why, but yeah. This is a robot, I think. I don't know, but yeah. Wait. This is a robot ship. I don't know.